Space and KGWP November Beauty Discovery Gift launches on 16th of November, Tuesday. This is the Brightest Stars edit, which is a hand-picked edit, specially selected by the expert buying team. It is essentially beauty goals at its best. That is the write-up that have been sent. This is free with purchase of £60. So, the spend threshold is very low. And apparently the GWP itself is worth £110. Now, it looks like that I don't have the GWP. Poultry little channel here, people. I get information, not PR samples. So there are 10 products inside this GWP. Let's see what they are. And then I'll give you a few suggestions on what you can get if you are looking to get this GWP. The first product in this GWP is a Sunday Riley Good Genes Glycolic Acid 15 ml. The reason I haven't shown you a picture is that this is a limited edition packaging, not the usual packaging. Now the regular size is 30 ml, which retails at £85. You get 15 ml, which is half size. This comes in limited edition packaging, as I said. So yeah, you can call the value, half size if you want. The next product is a VENN Moisture Balance All-in-One Face Cleanser. 150 ml is full-sized, which retails at £55, but you only get 5 ml. I know, a cleanser I think should be at least 30 ml to try it out a bit, yeah. The next product is a Living Proof PhD Weightless Mask. 200 ml is full-sized, which retails at £33. You get 30 ml. That's fair, a hair mask 30 ml. Cleanser 5 ml as well. The next product is the AMIKA KURE Mask. 20 ml you get full-sized is 250 ml, which retails at £28. Now that's another hair product in here. The next product is from Rose Inc. New launch. As you know, you must have seen the Rose Inc. blush in the Space MK Advent calendar. You get 5 ml of this. Full size is actually 6 ml, which retails at £19.50. So yeah, what you get is only 1 ml less than the full size. This is the brow gel, not blush, brow gel this time. Right, the next product is a GOLDFADEN MD Brighteyes. 15 ml is full sized and that retails at £48. You get 5 ml. The next product is the Dr. JART plus CERAMIDIN serum. 40 ml is full sized, which retails at £34. You get 5 ml. The next product is the ERBORIAN Perfect Barrier Cream. Skin Hero Perfect Barrier Cream, people, not the usual CC cream. Which is actually pretty, because I wanted to try the CC cream now, having heard very good things about it. Right, full size is 40 ml, which retails at £39. You get 5 ml. I've heard very good things about the CC cream, but I'm not sure what shade will suit me. Probably Door or Caramel. Most probably Door. So I'd like to try it out. They used to send out samples of this, but I wasn't getting those GWPs. Now when I'm looking for it, it's not there in any GWP. Story of my life, eh? The next product is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peels Extra Strength version. You get 3 sets, 3 uses, yeah? Box of 5 retails at £19. Right, lastly, you have the MALIN+GOETZ MOJITO Lip Balm. 10 ml, indeed full size, retailing at £12. So there's a full-size product, a half-size product, and something that is 1 ml less than the full size in here. 10 products. Those are the 10 products in this gift with purchase. Spend threshold, as I said, £60. So, it's not a lot of things to try. At the same time, yeah, but spend threshold being so low, I suppose this is what you can expect. What I would suggest buying if you are in the space for shopping is 1, the KURE body set, which contains a hand cream and a body cream, both of which are full size. The hand cream is 75 ml and the body thing is 250 ml. Those retail together at £27. Now, the body cream alone sells at £27. Essentially, the hand cream, which by itself retails at £12, is free. Yeah, I have bought this. I will show you this in an upcoming sort of year-end complete haul video on all the things that I bought this year. I haven't bought too much this year, so everything fits in one haul. I haven't bought any beauty January, February, March, April. right until Advent season began. And the first thing that I bought this year was a revolver beauty bag. So, you know, one big haul covers everything for me this year. So I'll show you that. Now, I am doing a video which will most probably be the next to go up on all the best gift sets for this year. So stay tuned for that if you are looking for, you know, some good choices. One of the things here is the Sol de Janeiro Galaxy Gorgeous set, which is 59 quid. So you only need something like a sharpener or something to reach that 60 quid threshold. Now this contains a 240ml Boom Boom cream, which alone retails at 44 quid. 90 ml of the mist, which by itself retails at 18 quid. 90 ml of the shower gel and 75 ml of the body scrub. So those are the 4 products you get in this set. This is very good value for money. Another one which I have bought is the Laura Mercier Amber Vanilla gift set, which contains the EDT Amber Vanilla spray, the body cream in Amber Vanilla, the souffle in Amber Vanilla, and the soap. So that is 75 quid. Another option would be just to buy the Biggie Boom Boom if you are a fan, because what happens here is that 240 ml is 44 quid. You have 240 ml, 44 quid. 500 ml is 77 quid. Yeah, I bought this, I've ordered it, I've already got it. No, I didn't bring it here today. The thing is, I will show you that as well in my haul video. Just the one product you need if you are looking to get this GWP. Another good value set is the Drunk Elephant Saving Face Kit, which is 82 quid actually. 30 ml of the TLC Framboos Serum, which by itself retails at 76 quid, yeah? 30 ml of the Brotini Polypeptide Cream, 30 ml of the Jelly Cleanser, and 15 ml of the Electrofacial. That you are getting for just 6 quid, all of that, because 76 quid is a retail value of the TLC Framboos. Yeah, and the whole thing is 82 quid. So those are some of the options that you can get. I'm not, you know, delving into each of the gift sets because I am doing a dedicated video on all the gift sets, which I am filming straight after this one. So what are your thoughts on this gift with purchase very quickly? Will you be getting this? Do you think that a lower spend threshold with smaller gifts is the better idea, or you know, you miss those giant GWPs with huge spend thresholds? I actually do that. I prefer bigger GWPs because when I get a gift with patches, I want something meaty, you know, something to sink my teeth in, and you know, huge bag of goodies coming in to try, you know, lots of excitement. That's what I prefer. And I also prefer doing my shopping in one big go rather than, you know, a bit here, a bit there, some more here and some more there, that sort of thing. So that's my choice. It's just, it varies from person to person. Do tell me yours in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.